Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your new Dekoni audio earpads for the KPH30i. The first step is to remove the old pad. To do this, you must pull it apart from the headphone. It's held in by friction clips, so be careful not to damage the old earpad if you want to keep them. For today's tutorial, you'll need a jeweler's screwdriver. It's a very small flathead that you'll be able to use to pull open some clips. Now, here's the important part. Take your jeweler's screwdriver and push the clips on the outward motion from around the driver. This step might take a little bit of time. Don't get frustrated, it'll be okay, you'll be able to get it off. Open up your new Dekoni audio earpads and set them aside. The next step is to wrap your new Dekoni audio earpads around the headphone. Remove any old earpad debris that might have been left over. Slowly wrap your Dekoni audio earpads around the KPH30i driver. Just be careful. There is a slot for the clips, so try not to cover them. Once you feel comfortable that you've got enough of the earpad on the headphone, then take your strain relief and make sure it goes back into the rectangle of the cup. This is to make sure that the cable doesn't get yanked out if the headphones come off your head. Slowly push the clips back into place, but don't press too hard, you might snap the clips. Okay, repeat the process once more for the other side. And there you have it. That's how to install your new Dekoni audio earpads for the KPH30i and Porta Pro.